Hi class, I'm very happy to see you here again to watch my lesson video, and this really shows that you love learning. Once again, welcome back after the Deepavali celebrations, Deepavali holidays. Welcome back, and why not we start our lesson now? So in today's lesson video, we are going to do revisions on adjectives, on comparative adjectives. Yeah, comparative form of adjectives. Now, what is that? For example, tall, and then we have taller. Ahmad is tall. Ahmad is taller than Peter, for example. So that is called comparative adjectives. All right, we are going to do revision on that. So all this can be found in your student's book, page 108. Student's book, page 118, sorry. Student's book, page 118. Page 118, yeah? Page 118. All right, so we go there. Student's book, page 118. First of all, we look at the vocabularies. We learn a few vocabularies before we start our lesson. Alright, now let us look at this vocabulary. Look at the pictures and look at the words as well. Okay, now read after the teacher. Read after the teacher. Ready? We go. This part. What is this part called?
Hump.
Okay, read after the teacher.
Hump.
So this animal is
Camel. Camel.
and this is easy. This is
Grass. Grass. Leaves. Leaves. Carry. Carry.
all right. These two words is they don't provide you with pictures, so I'm going to tell you a sentence on these words. Leave, yeah, the first one is leave. Okay, read
Live.
again.
Live.
All right, I give you example. For example, in this sentence, leave, I ask a questions. Where do you live? Where do you live? So you may answer, I live in Likas. Or another example, he lives in Penampang. Live.
Live.
All right, the second word is use. No picture, so you have to listen to my sentence. For example, use. Yeah, I use a pencil to write. I use a pencil to write. Another one, she uses a mobile phone to call her mother. She uses a mobile phone to call her mother.
Use.
Yeah, use. Okay, now we read again once. Yeah, we read again once from the beginning. Ready? Go.
Hump. Hump. Camel. Camel. Grass. Grass. Leaves. Leaves. Carry. Carry. Live. Live.
For example, where do you live? I live in Likas. He lives in Penampang. Okay, now this word.
Use. Use.
For example, I use a pencil to write. She uses a mobile phone to call her mother. Alright, now we go to the next activity. Look at these pictures. Two types of camel, and they are different. They have names. Now listen. Listen. Ready? Go.
Activity 1. Listen and read.
Arabian camel. This camel lives in the Middle East and Africa. The Arabian camel is taller than the Bactrian camel. It has got one hump. It eats leaves and grass. In the past, people used camels to travel and carry things. Bactrian camel. The Bactrian camel lives in Asia. It is bigger than the Arabian camel. Its hair is longer and it has got two humps. It's really beautiful. It eats grass, but it can eat meat too. People drink its milk and use its hair for clothes.
Okay, class, I want you to learn to read these two passages. Yeah. If you cannot read it on your own for the first time, I advise you that you have to rewind. Yeah, rewind means go back, rewind this video, and then listen, read together with the teacher for many times, and then you try again if you can read these two passages on your own. Yeah, you have to rewind this video if you cannot read it now. All right, please rewind for a few times and then read together with the teacher for a few times before we continue. All right. Okay, now we proceed to the next activity. It says here, read and circle. Activity 2, read and circle. Number 1, the Bactrian camel is taller, shorter than the Arabian camel. The answer should be shorter. Because it says here in the passage, the Arabian camel is taller. See, Arabian camel is taller than the Bactrian camel. Arabian camel is taller. So, Bactrian camel is shorter because Arabian camel is taller. Okay, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Longer or shorter hair. Smaller or bigger than. 1 or 2 humps. You still remember what are humps? Alright, you try to find out the answer first. Okay, so please pause the video and write your answers now. I will show you the answers after the pause. Pause your video now. Okay, welcome back. You look at the answer. The Bactrian camel has got longer or shorter hair. We look at the hints. It says that the Bactrian camel, its hair is longer. Bactrian camel, its hair is longer. Alright, so the answer should be longer. Number 3, the Arabian camel is smaller or bigger than the Bactrian camel. It's smaller or bigger? Arabian. We look at the hints. It says that the Bactrian camel, it is bigger than the Arabian camel. Again, a Bactrian camel is bigger than the Arabian camel. The Arabian camel, is it bigger or smaller? Smaller than the Bactrian camel. Now, the last one. The Arabian camel has got 1 or 2 humps. I think this is easy. Arabian camel, according to the passage, it has got 1 hump only. The Arabian camel, it has got 1 hump only. So it is very clear that the answer for number 4, the Arabian camel has got 1 hump. Okay, how many questions have you got it correct? I hope you got it all correct. Alright, now we are going to read from the beginning until the end together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The Bactrian camel is shorter than the Arabian camel. The Bactrian camel has got longer hair than the Arabian camel. The Arabian camel is smaller than the Bactrian camel. The Arabian camel has got 1 hump. Yeah, has got one hump. Okay. Okay, class, we stop here today. I hope you enjoy my lesson video. Now, if you want to improve your English, one of the best way is to read books, read storybooks, read a lot of storybooks. Okay, so enjoy your reading. Thank you very much.